Good day everyone, I'm Louis from the Permacon sales team, and today we're here at Permacon's R&D facility where we're going to go over the new Next block. Both pallets side by side, assemble the units together. Take a veneer, put it on its side, first structural, slide it down, next one goes in, right away you have a full block. Put it over your starter. That's the first step. When you have the longer veneer, you have a gap. Your next block, you want to use the smallest size. As you see here. Vertical wall application, clip installation. Knob side up, slide it at the back, and you give it a twist. Wall setback installation. Take your clip, slide it into the back of the wall, and set it back, it sits over top, and you have your setback in the front. Installation, always one clip per next block. So here, one veneer, two next block, one clip in this one, and the next clip comes on this side. Next block, corner installation. Finished end veneer. Put it at the end, slide your clip, take a next block, slide it in. It does work on both sides, but to lock your corner so you don't have soil coming in, put it on the outside. It is possible to strengthen the corner by using clips or another next block, just by simply sliding them in, and also by adding another block at the back. Splitting the next block. All blocks have a groove on top as a split line. Simply put it up against any object, line in the same direction, rubber mallet. Next block, second row corner. You want to make sure to crisscross your ends. And you also want to make sure that you have your finished end on the outside. This block is pre-assembled. We're just going to slide it in. Take our veneer, slide it as well, and take our pre-split next block, slide it at the end. Nice finished corner. You're ready to start with your next units. And make sure you always start from your corner and move towards the end of your project. Double-sided wall installation. Take your single-sided block, take a veneer of the same size, simply put it at the back, take your clips, preferably put them on the outside of the block, one per unit, and double-sided wall. When building with the next block, just like the tandem structural units, every veneer goes to make a single piece. You never want to interlock veneers with other structurals like this. Always one piece together. Finishing a double-sided wall. We already have what would be a single-sided wall set up. We're going to take a veneer with the finished end. You want to make sure to take a size up for the finished end. Slide it into position. Once again, take your clips, slide them in, one per each next block. Here what we've done is we've pre-cut the smallest veneer size. I'm going to take it, once again, with the finished end, slide it at the end, line it up. Again, take your clips, slide them in, two at the end, nice strong corner.